So what is truth? What is right? What is vast? Think about these ideas. Fill your consciousness with them. Then you think of Agni and felicity, Bhadram. There is a relationship between Agni and Bhadram, of that which is auspicious, that which is full of Ananda. Develop this concept. In your action, whenever you do, you just think of Agni and say, let my action be truthful. And you protect my truthfulness. Practice it. With all these conditions, if you fulfill, the Veda says, you will arrive not only at truth consciousness, but will arrive at immortality. What is immortality, we shall say later on, but this is the promise that it gives. That all that is the supreme, the highest, if you want a true fulfillment of your life, in fact, every human being seeks nothing but fulfillment. He wants the highest that is possible. When he says, I want happiness, it's a word which is used, happiness, but actually what he wants is the highest that is possible for him. He doesn't want anything less than what is highest for him. And what is highest for him is immortality. This is what the Veda describes to be. We may not know, therefore we may not even speak of immortality. But if somebody reveals to you, and if you go to the deeper and deeper and deeper levels of consciousness, like Alexander the Great, you may conquer lens after lens after lens, and you think now you have achieved so much, and yet he says, I am not happy. What is the happiness? Because it is something else. It is then when you go deeper and deeper that you really discover what your real happiness is. What is Bhadram for you? What is really Bhadram? Which Agni can do for you. Agni is capable of doing that Bhadram to you, which will lead you to that felicity and that highest happiness, you might say. But that happiness is not what you think is your happiness. You think this is happiness because at present you think it to be happiness. To a child, to get one chocolate is happiness. It is only later on he thinks that this is not enough. He needs something more, and that's still more, and something more, and something more. So his highest fulfillment, everybody seeks his highest fulfillment. And that highest fulfillment is what is given by Agni. This is the importance of Agni in the Veda, and that is why Agni is given such a prominent place in the Veda. I think we'll stop here today. We've gone much beyond our time today. Thank you.
गिरिजामते सहचरः प्राणः शरीरं गृहम् पूजाते विषयोपभोगरचना निद्रा समाधिस्थितिः सञ्चारः पदयोः प्रदक्षिणविधिः स्तोत्राणि सर्वा गिरो यद्यत्कर्म करोमि तदखिलं शम्भो तवाराधनम् करचरणकृतं वा कायजं मानसं वा श्रवणनयनजं वा मानसं वापराधम् विहितं वा सर्वमेतत्क्षमस्व जय जय करुणाब्धे श्री महादेव शंभो। करचरण कृतं वा कायजं कर्मजं वा श्रवणनयनजं वा मानसं वापराधं विहितं विहितं वा सर्वमेतत्क्षमस्व। जय जय करुणाब्धे श्री महादेव शंभो। शांति शांति शांति।